putting the weight on was a gradual thing. I think it happened primarily after the birth of my 2 kids, which is 21 years ago now, but just gradually crept on over the years and just kept piling on, and I didn't do anything about it. Oh, I did actually try Jenny Craig, yeah, and it worked, but I didn't keep the weight off. Yeah, I didn't do an exercise regime or anything like that, and I think that's what I was failing at. Yeah, yeah, and it didn't really teach me how to eat correctly. Basically, we moved to Clover Hill Estate 2 years ago. No, 5 years ago now. I think we've been here. How long have we been going to Calpura boot camp? And I went to get the mail, and there was a flyer in the mailbox, and I said to my daughter Ashley, I said, "This is meant to be. This is just down the road. We've just moved in. I need to lose weight. Let's do it." And that's primarily why we joined it. I had to do something, and Ashley wanted to stay fit, so yeah, that was the best thing I've done. I like the companionship with the other ladies. It's really good to exercise with other ladies that are like-minded, got the same goals and aims, and we just have fun. We have a giggle, and it's good to be exercising with someone because you can sort of try and keep up with someone that's a little bit more fitter than you, or you can sort of see your own progress. You think that I couldn't catch this person before when I was running, and now I'm right there. I'm on their heels, and it's good. Yeah, it's really good. It's taking 2 years now. I've lost 15 kilos. Lowered my blood pressure. I've just felt happier and healthier and fitter, and I'm not going back. I'm not going back to the old person I was. But yeah, so I've achieved a lot of it. Just my well-being is 100% better. Confident, yeah, I feel great. Yeah, I'm sort of, I don't know, I feel that I'm a normal person. I'm not an overweight person, so I feel like I deserve to be treated normal, whereas before I didn't. Dan, I try and encourage all my neighbours to come. I've just got to get them there. I think a lot of people are scared, because I know I was too when I first started. And I remember saying to Ray, I can't run. I'm not running. And now I love running. And everyone else is like that to me. Like they say, oh, I couldn't run. I couldn't put myself through that. And I said, no, you've got to try it, because it's really easy now.